Phonics lesson plans are the foundation you can use to help your child as they begin to learn to read. You must be prepared to make the most of your time together, and to make the most of your child's attention span. With an early introduction to phonics, you are giving your child a head start on a lifetime of literacy. A lesson plan must be created with the goal of teaching your child the 44 sounds, the 43 phonics rules of the English language, and how to appropriately apply them. The question is, what lesson plan will most effectively accomplish this task? There are numerous websites available that will provide you with sample lesson plans for phonics instruction. With just a bit of planning, you can help teach your child to become an accomplished and confident reader. When evaluating any lesson plan, there are several items to consider. Ask yourself these questions. Is the plan creative, interactive, and supportive of the early reader's efforts? Does the lesson plan utilize a variety of methods, such as textual, visual, and audio, to teach the concepts of phonics? Are there multiple opportunities in the lesson for your child to learn, practice, play, and repeat what they have learned? It is through hearing and seeing the reading concepts in a variety of ways that your child will conceptualize and then utilize their newfound knowledge. Teaching phonics to your child only takes time, patience, and a bit of creativity. Searching for phonics lesson plans might take some time, but when you hear your child begin to put sounds together, and then begin to read, you will realize it was time very well spent. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.